very shocking death of Tito Jackson, the estate planning world has been once again thrown into a frenzy. We were just talking about O.J. Simpson's estate. We saw that he had a pour-over will that was released to the public. I talked about this in one of my earlier videos, that the pour-over will wasn't necessarily a normal last will and testament that has to go through the probate process with executors, etc. But it was in fact one of those documents that accompanied a trust. Going back to Tito Jackson, it is my hope that their family does not have to go through another failed estate planning mishap, just because Michael Jackson tried to set up a trust for his estate planning documents, but one of the biggest things that he forgot to do, and ultimately why it ended up failing, or his estate plan ended up failing, because he did not fund the trust. For Tito Jackson's estate, more likely than not, it's going to come out what type of estate plan he had or lack thereof. Hope that the family actually learned from Michael Jackson's mishap, and either Tito Jackson had a will that's going to end up being probated, or if he did set up a trust, that one of the important things that he remembered to do based off of his brother's mishap was to fund it. I want to reiterate, if you are an individual that wants to set up a trust, one of the first things that you should do after your drafting attorney has set up those documents for you is to fund it. The immediate next step, because a trust that is not funded will ultimately fail. Everything that you're trying to do regarding avoiding probate, that's all going to be thrown out. This is why you also want to guard against DIY or do-it-yourself estate planning. This is a pivotal step that a lot of people, or some people, may not know about, and you've went through the process but you forgot to fund it. Have any questions or have any comments about Tito Jackson's death, or how you think his estate plan was set up, leave a comment. Or if you're ready to start your journey with estate planning, contact my office at www.leahbostonlaw.com, and I'm happy to help get you started.